Installation of the Keystone one-sided latch. The Keystone one-sided latch is designed to fit both right-hand and left-hand applications. To conform your application, the latch assembly may need to be reversed. To reverse the latch assembly, tilt the assembly back and remove the 4 screws holding the mounting base. Carefully lift and rotate the mounting base without disturbing the internal components, and then reinstall the 4 screws. Locate the desired mounting height for the latch on the fence post. Mark the center points of the 5 mounting holes. Drill appropriate pilot holes for the mounting screws. Realign the latch and attach to the post with the supplied flathead screws. After installing the latch assembly, position and attach the striker. With the gate closed, position the striker with the striker rod within the latch assembly behind the latch mechanism. Fasten using the same procedure as the latch assembly. The position of the striker can be adjusted by loosening the screws and sliding down or up. After installation, test the locking and unlocking of the latch. Lock the latch by turning clockwise to the stop point and then counterclockwise to the 12 o'clock position and remove. Unlock the latch by turning counterclockwise to the stop point and then clockwise to the 12 o'clock position and remove. For more information, visit nationwideindustries.com.